The H22 and F23 block is set to 9 degrees. This is all secured. What I'm trying to establish here is the angle of the post mount, 3.5 degrees. Now that we have established that, once I modified this, that's what the angle that I'm going to put on the F23, just to replicate whatever I have on here. So we shouldn't have any problem. Okay, it pegs, I say this is 3 degrees. This is what important right here. See how much that thing is off? Looks like it's downwards, but it's not. It's on the top. So I'm gonna try to hug this area. I think this is ready. This is the H2B post mount bracket for 92-95 Honda Civic and also 94 to 2000 Acura Integra. This is different than the EK because it has a 3 mount holes, as you can see. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I never thought I'll be doing another episode about this bracket. Not until someone reached out and asked me about the difference between the two, more like in detail. And as I go along, I learned to find out that you could actually fit this in on the F23 with just a minimal shaving on the bottom hole, and it can be mistaken as like an alignment point. Today's episode is about, of course, as you can see, an H2B post mount bracket for an H22, and you wanted to use it on the G23, or if you want to build a full F23 swap on your Civic. Anyway, let me just show you again what I'm trying to accomplish here. All right, this is the 2 post mount, and let's just assume that I don't have the center hole yet, and also the bottom one is not elongated yet. What I did here is I established it's more like how the motor is going to be sitting inside the engine bay. I'm just assuming that that's how much it is, okay? So it's more like 9 degrees. This is the F23 block. Now I'm gonna put it to here. The needle stops and 9 degrees as well. All right, so both of these are the same angle. So now I have the H2B for the EK secured on the H22 block. Remember now that these 2 brackets are built purposely for an H22, not the F23. And it's moving, and it's like about 0 degrees, almost 1 or something, okay? Now if I wanted to put this H2B post mount or the post bracket for a G23 build, when I put this here, allow me to remove this and explain it there, okay? Obviously, when you get one of these and your project is a G23 first time swap, first time project, you don't have an H22. All you have is a F23 block and a H2B kit. It's either for EK or 92-95 Civic or Integra. Now when you put this on your engine block, the F23, this is the master, and you don't have the hole here yet. Now the bottom hole, when you place it on your block, you could practically see that the holes lined up. You could actually put the bolt by just shaving minimal amount of material off from here, and that is incorrect because the angle will be different. Let's just assume that somehow you manage to shave the bracket with just a minimal amount of shaving material off from it, just like that. See, this one moves all the way, something like this, okay, for example. Now look what happened. Takes a while. That is what, almost 3 degrees or something, and that is enough to throw you off. Your engine mounts will be like twisted because it will affect the rear T bracket. That's what's gonna happen. And the correct way of finding the correct angle of this bracket for the F23 block is to put it on to 0. Let me tighten this so it will go to 0. It stays in 0. Right there. This is the correct way. Again, do not find the center hole by using this one and just do a minimal shaving so you can thread the bolt through here. It is the incorrect way. It will not give you the correct alignment as far as the motor being in the engine bay. Oh, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set the block to 0 degree. Actually, I should do it here because the two mounts are specifically made for an H22. Let me set this up, okay? Okay. The block is 0 degrees. This is just a piece of information. Use this only as a guide, okay? All right, now let me get my glasses. I have to be precise here. Okay, so now it's minus 1, 2, that'll be, should I say minus 5 degrees? Because it's on the left. All right, so we have established that this is minus 5 degrees. Now I'm gonna go and put this bracket onto here. I'm going to replicate that minus 5 degrees. That's 0 degree, right? As you can see. Next is to put the bracket onto here. This is your master. This is the bolt hole that you have to follow. Not the bottom one, but this one right here. The top right. Let's assume that I don't have that hole yet, okay? This will not be used for now. it's just this one right here. Now I'm going to place the angle finder, and I'm going to replicate whatever I got from the H22 block, which is 5 degree. And let me see if I can set that up to 5 degree. It'll take a little while for the needle to stop. 1, 2, 3, just a little bit. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, that's 5 degrees right there. And as you can see, this is already elongated, and I already added some material onto here. But if this thing is still have the original configuration, you can only see half of that hole. This is what important right here. See how much that thing is off? So in order for this H2B post mount for EG and DC, the bottom hole need to be cut, or like what I did on the EK post mount, I welded some aluminum on it and then I hugged it out. 5 degrees is the magic number setting this H2B bracket. I have said it before, with the block on the engine bay, when it's leaning forward, this has to be horizontally level. And if I tilt this block leaning forward, this will be set at 0 degree. I think this episode is more like the precise way of showing you on how you can use the H2B post mount bracket on the G23. And of course, I'm not gonna leave the EK owners, okay? I'm gonna bolt 2 of these. I already established that the block is at 0 degrees, right? This has not changed. This is the EK. There's actually a difference between these two as far as the angle, because I have compared the two, and this is a little bit slightly less, and it shows right here. Now it's showing 8 degrees for EK. Now I'm going to place this H2B bracket for EK on the F23 or the G23. So for some of you guys that EK owners, first time swap, obviously, like I said, you don't have the H22 block. All you have is the F23. Put that there. Make sure it goes to 0. I apologize for repeating myself. It's just the situation, just it has to be broadcast, that's all. I wish I can do it in a different way. All right, again, that's 0 degrees. Let me secure the EK. So if you were to use the EK H2B post mount, the top right side is your master. The bottom part, do not use that as a guide. Do not use it as an aid to align it, because it's incorrect. That's 7. That's 8 degrees right there. Once you have located your angle, this is 0 degrees and that's 8 degrees. Now your next job is to find where to place the hole here and also here. And that's it. That's how you can use your inexpensive H2B post bracket on your G23 the correct way. Once again, please do not use this mount area and this bolt hole that it will only require a minimal amount of shaving so you could secure your bolt. It will not give you the correct degree, the way that the motor will sit on the engine bay. Your engine mounts will be twisted. And now that I have shown to you the difference between the EK and the EG-DC H2B bracket, as you can see it, there's what like 3 degrees something difference. And hopefully this will give you an idea. Use this only as a guide. It's still your responsibility. Making the holes, widen that, weld some aluminum material here, bring it to a shop or something, just pay someone to do it for you. Or if you have a friends that know how to weld, cutting it off so you can place the bolt through it. I highly recommend that have someone to weld some material on this area right here, especially if you want to use it on a G23. It's better to have 3 mount bolts totally securing your motor, especially if your project or your power goal is more than 200. I know some of you guys got by without doing anything to it, but it could be your lucky day, man. Every motor are different. It is built different. Okay? And this is where I totally close this episode. I think I will never talk about a bracket anymore. I think this will be the pinnacle of it. And I'll see you guys on the next. Bye, everyone. Make sure you hit the like button and leave a comment. Bye-bye.